Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Yeshwant Bhara from LG School of Law, and today we'll be discussing about the topic of IPC, that is obscenity. So now let's move to the lecture. So before moving to the obscenity, we have left few sections from our previous lecture. So I'll be continuing that particular sections before that. So section 289 talks about the negligent conducts with respect to animals. So whoever knowingly or negligently omits to take such orders with any animals in his possession as is sufficient to guard against any probable dangers to human life or any probable danger of grievous hurt from such animal shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or fine which may extend to 1,000 rupees. Now you'll see if the person is having any animal which is ferocious in nature or which is wild in nature. So, in that case, if the person is negligently or knowingly omits to take care of that particular animal, and that animal uh, like going out of his custody or going out of his position, and while he is in position and going out and is hurting the public in general, then in that case that person will be charged under section 289. As you can see in the slide, that this section deals with improper or careless management of the animal. Say you must have been known that sometimes the pet animals or the people, they don't take care of that particular animals, and they, like, when they are out, they bite someone or they hit someone. So these sections are made for that particular person. Now moving further, section 290, punishment for public nuisance in case of otherwise provided for. Now see, whoever commits a public nuisance in any case not otherwise punishable by this code shall be punished with the fine which may extend to 200 rupees. Now, if any punishment which is not mentioned in the section IPC for the punishment for the nuisance, then in that case that person will be punished for rupees 2000 and rupees 200. Okay. Now moving further, section 292. Section 292 talks about the obscene materials. Okay, section 292 says, just a minute. Yeah, section 292 talks about sale of obscene books and etc. It says that for the purpose of this subsection 2, a book, pamphlet, paper, writing, drawing, painting, representation, figure, or any other object shall be deemed to be obscene if it is lascivious or appeal to the prurient interest of, or it is affect or the effect of anyone as it seems it is taken as a whole, such as to tend deprave or corrupt persons who are likely having to regard all relevant circumstances to read, to see or hear the matter contained embodied it will be. Now again, whoever sells these, I'll be coming back to this slide, and but before that we have to read this slide also, study this slide also. So whoever sells, lets, hire, distribute, publicly exhibits, or any matter put circulation, reduces the possession of any uh, obscene book, pamphlet, paper, and representation of figure of any obscene objects whatsoever, imports, exports, or conveys any obscene object for any of the purpose aforesaid, that such subject will be sold, let to hire, and C point, take part in receives profits from any business in the course of which he knows or has reason to believe that any such obscene objects are of any purpose aforesaid made, produced or purchased, kept, imported, and de-advertise. You will see that this section is so big. advertise or makes known to any means whatsoever that any person is engaged or is ready to engage in any act which is in offense under this section, or offers attempt to do any act which is offense under this section shall be punished with a term shall be punished for the imprisonment which may extend to 2 years, or the fine which may extend to 2000 rupees. And in second consequent conviction, subsequent conviction, the imprisonment will be increased and it will be which may extend to 5 years, and fine which may extend to 5000 rupees. So this particular section talks about the sale and the market of the obscene matters. Now, what is the obscene matters? Whatever the photographs, the magazines, the sites, any pictures, any marks, all these things will be included in the obscene material if that particular material is, you'll see, is degrading the image of the person or in the public. Okay, in that case that will be calculated in the section 292. Now there are exception to section 292. It says that any book, pamphlet, paper, writing, drawing, painting, representation of figure, the publication of which is proved as to be justified as being a public good, and ground that such book, pamphlet, paper, writing, drawing, painting, representation of such figure, science, literature, art, learning of other object or general concern, which is kept or used bona fide for religious purposes, and any other representation is sculptured, engraved, painted, other represented in it, any ancient monuments, any temples. Okay, so all these things which are like you will see the temples of Khajuraho, and that there are the monuments and they are engraved. You'll see the old temples, ancient temples, and that they are the scriptures which looks obscene, but they are uh, treated as a heritage or the archaeological sites in our country. Therefore, they will not be, therefore, they are exempted by this particular obscene material, or you can say exempted under section 292. Now, section 293, section 293, it talks about sale of obscene object to young person. Now, whoever sells, distributes, exhibits to any person under the age of 20 years any such obscene objects, then in that case that person will be imprisonment for the term of 7 years, and again he will be imprisonment, and he will be fine will be imposed to him, which will be around 5000 rupees, or which may extend to 5000 rupees. Now moving to our next section, section 294, it talks about the obscene acts and songs. Whoever to annoyance of other does any obscene act in any public place, or sings, recites, utter any obscene songs, ballads, words in or near any public place shall be punished with the imprisonment which may extend to 3 months, or fine, or with both. So if in case if the person is singing any obscene song, or if the person is reciting or utters any obscene words, then in that case the person may be imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months, or with fine, or both. So now I presume that you must have understood this particular section. We'll be dealing our next topic in the next lecture, and I'll rest my lecture here. And take care of yourself. And thank you. Bye.